Hi guys, welcome to my channel. 9 minus 1 is what? 8 times 9 minus 1, 8. 8 times 8 is equal to what? 64. But this answer is not correct. According to order of operation, according to order of operation, we have to first of all solve what is inside the bracket before division, followed by multiplication, followed by addition, then subtraction. Now, if we are solving it correctly, 9 minus 1 is what? 8. Remember, there's invisible multiplication here. Because if a number is close to parentheses, you multiply. So, times 1. Now, this is the equation. So, now, in the order of operation, multiplication comes before subtraction. So, minus 1 times 8 will give us what? Minus 8. Bring down this 1. 9 minus 8 is equals to what? 1. Our final answer is what? 1. Thank you. Please like this video, support me by liking the video, subscribe so that you follow for more maths. If you have any challenge in any maths problem, you can share it in the comment section so that we can solve it together. Thank you.